If your MacBook Neo is stuck in sleep mode and won't wake up, don't panic. Here's a simple step-by-step fix to bring it back to life. First, close the lid and wait for about 10 seconds. Then, open it up again and check if it wakes up. If nothing happens, press the power button once to see if it responds. Still not working? Let's try to force restart. Press and hold down the power button for 8 to 10 seconds. Then, wait for a few seconds and then press on the power button to see if it turns off. If it did not wake up, plug your MacBook Neo into a charger and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, try turning it on again. If it's still dead, try to take it into startup mode. Press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until you see loading startup options. Once you're in startup options, try restarting the Mac first. If it doesn't restart normally, we'll try safe mode. Go back to startup options, select Macintosh HD, then hover over Continue. Now hold the Shift key and click Continue in safe mode. If your Mac boots into safe mode, it usually means something in the system is causing the issue. Log in and you've got two things to check. First, uninstall any apps you recently installed that might be causing conflicts. Second, clean up your startup items. Go to System Settings, then General, then Login Items and Extensions. Remove unnecessary items using the minus button. After that, restart your MacBook Neo again and check if it boots normally. If there is no serious hardwire problem, your Mac Neo will restart without any problem now. Thanks for your time.